welcome to another video. And today I want to show you some magic math. And I did this video earlier before as German language video, and this is the English language version. And first we need some random numbers. And first digit is 6. King counts as 13, so 10, 11 is Jack, 12 is Queen, and 13 is King. And I will add here some other numbers with 3 digits. Next is ace, counts 1. Queen counts 12. And a 9. And a jack. And 3, an 8, and a 6. So, and this is something that you can show a friend or a relative or a colleague, and after you wrote the last number, so this, or the last digit, this is only an example. So in real you can use more digits and larger numbers. So, and then you turn around and the colleague or relative or friend should add the numbers. So the sum of this 5, 6, 12, and 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 12, another 1, 7, 8, 17, 20. Okay, so, and now we need the digit sum. So I think I'm here at the German name Quersumme, so I try to write the Q. So digit sum. I found several expressions for Quersumme, but I hope you know what I mean. And like cross sum or something wild. So we have to add the digits. So 6, 1, and 3 is 10. And we need this 2 times. So 2 times the digit sum, and the digit sum of 10 is 1. Yes. And this is something you do while the numbers are written or told, and then you have to do this in your mind, on your head, or write it on a piece of paper. So then next is 4. So the second is also 4. This is 11. And the next is 2, because 1 plus 1. And here is 17 So the second digit sum is 8, because 1 and 7 is 8. So, and now you have to sum these digit sums. It's 5, 7, 15. Yes. Okay, so you know, and this is while you here or write these numbers. These numbers. TH is you. And so we have only 2 digits here. So I will do another example in a few moments. And your friend can decide for one of the digits. So maybe he or she select a 2, and he or she have to tell you the other digits which are not marked with a cross or something. So in this case 0, 2 and 2, and you have to sum this, and the sum in this case is 4, and now you have to subtract the 4 from the 15, but you would get a number higher than 9, and a digit can only go up to 9, so 9 is the highest number. And in this case, if you subtract this 4, or this sum of these digits from your sum of the digit sum, the second, then you have to add always 9. And this would be 30, and then you have the 2. And you can, while you turn around, answer the marked or the selected digit is the 2. And we now can test the other case, so the 0. So then we would sum 2, 2 and 2. So 6 plus 9 is 15, and you have to subtract 15 and 15, and this equals 0 or 9. And so you would answer your selected digit is the 0. And let's try another example. Maybe with 4-digit numbers, and this is the 9, and Jack is 11, 6, and we add 2 more numbers. King is 13, another 3, 10, so we use the 1, and let us here write the 0, so we have effectively a 3-digit number here. And again a king and an ace. So coincidence, a lot of 1 and 3 here. So, and the sum here is 8. So it's kind of easy with the low numbers, 1 and or low digits, 1 and 3, and here we have 10. And so we have now different digits here. And now again, digit sum 1 and digit sum 2 and digit sum 1 in this case is 10, 11, 17. So next digit sum is 8, 4, 7, 8, stays at 8, and this is 5 and stays at 5. Okay, so then we sum this, and this is 21, and your friend, colleague, or relative select maybe the 5 and have to tell you the other digits. 1, 9, 7 and 8. So we have 16, total of 16. And if we now subtract the 16 from the 21, we have directly the 5. So no higher number than 9. So in this case, or in the cases, we don't need to add 9 here to this number. And let's prove some of the other digits. Maybe if he or she select the 8, then we have to sum 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7, and this is 13, and 21 minus 13 is 8. And you can tell your friend you selected the 8. And maybe one last for the 1. So 0 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 is equals 20. 21 minus 20 equals 1. This works every time. If you calculate correctly. And another thing I want to show you. Can guess how old is your friend? Maybe let's assume you don't know the age. Then we have already written the magic 9. So the 9 is a bit of magic. And I did some card tricks before of my 70 card tricks where this effect with the 9s, with a 9 was a part of the solution in the background. But you know I don't reveal my card tricks. But the 9 is a number or a digit that is necessary for some tricks. And here's maybe a little trick for you that I will show you. So we have to end up at the 9. So 9 is maybe 1 and 8. and 7, or 3 and 6. And so let's try with the 27 here. So we know we end with a 9. And you can tell your friend to choose a number which the digit sum is 27, so that we can end up to the 9. And 27 is maybe 5, 3, 6, 1, 5, not 7, was by 20. Now 12, 15, 21, 22, 27. Or maybe he write a different number. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 18, 25, and 2. Okay, and a lot of more. So he can choose any number which digit sum ends of 27, or you say ends up 36, 45, 54, whatever. And let's assume he or she decides for that number. And he or she should add her or his age. And so let's take a random number. Queen is 12 and 8 is 20. So let's assume the age is 20. So both numbers are not told to you, yes? The only is that the digit sum has to be 27 or 36 or 18, 45, 54, 63 and so on. And now your friend have to sum his age or her age and the chosen number, and tell you the result. And now you sum 3 and 4, 7, 7 and 5 is 12, 18, 27, 29. So 29. And the digit sum 1 is that. Next is digit sum 11, because you add 2 and 9. And now you have the magic number, the 9. So maybe you could minus, and then you're here with a 9. And the only thing is that you have to guess nearly his or her age. So it's one of these numbers. So 2, I think, can accept the 2. 11 is really young, cannot change 20 year and 11 year, I think. Next 29, so you have to guess it's not 29. And then you can tell him or her your age is 20. So maybe we find the time for another example. There is a 29 minutes limit here at German custom rules camera system. Let's zoom another age. 10 and 3 is 13, and 4 is 17, 21, and king is 13, so 34. Two and 4 is 6, 7 and 3 is 10, 1 here, the rest is the same, and we add this for the digit sum 1. 3 and 4 is 7, 7 and 5 is 12, 12 and 7 is 19, and 6 is 25, and digit sum 2 is 7. And now we add the magic 9. And we have here 16, 7 plus 9, 25, and you noticed already 34, and 43, and 52. And one of these is the age. And so if you guess correctly with 9 years delta, so you have the 34. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like, you can also watch the German language video with the same content, but with other digits. And yes, I hope you liked it a bit, and I wish you a nice time, a good year 2017, and bye bye.